Hello everybody, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix TikTok age protected post problem. In order to solve this problem, you basically have two options. The first one is to open up your TikTok application and then tap on your profile icon from over here. And then click on the three lines at the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. And from over here, all you guys need to do is to click on content preferences and tap on the second option, which is restricted mode. And this page, you need to make sure that restricted mode is off, because if it is on, that may be the problem. Now, if this doesn't solve your problem, guys, the second option you can use is to go back to your settings and privacy from over here, and then scroll down and click on report a problem. And then tap on account and profile from over here, and click on profile page. Scroll down and tap on other. Now make sure to click on this option, which is need more help. And now as you guys can see, you can report to TikTok your specific problem. In this case, we want to solve our age protected problem. And after a couple of days, they might solve your problem, guys. And if these two options doesn't work for you guys, all you need to do is to create a new TikTok account. So guys, that is it for this video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care until next time.